Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how we can create an video header in the PowerPoint. In our earlier times or previously we were using solid colors or just basic image for our headers. So now since everything has gone modern, so we are currently so many slides are coming up with video headers. So I'm going to show you how we can make that. So this is one example what I made. I'm just going to play this. You can see the your header will be like a animated one, so it will look very nice, attractive. So how we can make this? So this is, it's not any very difficult task. It's very really simple one. So let me show you how we can do it. So I'm just going to end the show. So I made another example as well, but and if you see here this video, what I put here is not editable. So it will become, you can make it a header for all your screens. You can do it like that. I'm going to show you how we can do that as well. And in this one there is another video which I'm used, but this is editable one. You can just move it, that so your video get moved. So this can be used for only for a particular slide if you want, or it's not highly recommended, but I'm just showing you, how I have put that. And the third one, I'm just going to play it. It's again an a video header, but with an curvy edge. So how we are going to do this as well? So let's begin. Just I'm going to end the show. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to insert a blank page, something a blank page like something like this. Okay. So the first thing what you will need is insert a header. So I'm going to insert the video from my PC, and I'm going for the desktop, and I'm going to for the YouTube prep images and video. So here I've downloaded some videos, some of kind of particles or moving effects, something like that, which you also can download from many sites are available like pixels and everything. You can download a lot of videos. This is the one of the videos I think I've used. So I'm just going to click it. So I'm just inserting the video now. So see, the entire video is inserted. Now the next step is how we can make an header out of this. So this is very simple. What you have to do is that you have to insert the crop option from here. Just click on that and select the part wherein you want to play. For me, this this part is not required. This is the part which is highly effective, which has a lot of effect in that. So and determine your header size. What should be your header size? So I'm taking a something size of this one, and I'm just that's it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it over here. Okay. So now the next thing is that this there is a gray gradient effect for the background for the slide. So again I'm going to click insert and going to click the shape, and from here I'm going to make it like this. So this is one color. So now from here go to other fill themes and select the color. So this is the color what I've used. So it will look more attractive when there is a gradient, slide background along with a header video. It will look very attractive. So now how we can, now the next, this is now if you what I am going to do is that when the video playback option, always make it not on click, make it automatically. This is one thing. Another thing, how we can make this non-editable and apply it to all slides. So this is also very simple. So once you decided that this is the layout you want to use for the entire slides, you can also do that, or on particular slide you can. So what you have to do is that just copy these two, go to view, go to slide master. Okay. So here I've made, this is the example what I made before. So you have to just paste it over here. That's it. Done. Close it. Okay, now when you go to the new slide, you can see here. See, this is not editable now. You can delete this as well. Click here to add the title you want to remove. You can remove that. See, this is a non-editable slide. But if you play it, see, the header plays with the video. So this is what I thought of showing you, how we can make a header video which is non-editable type. So so this is very easy. Now next thing is very just the text what I placed here. So just I'm going to sorry, I'm going to just copy this text just for the completion, okay, and this header. So this is how my just I'm going to copy that. See, so my slide is just complete. So this is an example of how you can make a video header, non-editable one. Now, now going for I'm just going to delete this one. So now going for the next slide, this one, this is an editable one. So how we can do this? So again, just going to insert a blank template, going to insert the shape, like I'm just going to keep it ready. Okay, and now and again I'm going to insert the video from my PC, and I think this is the video I've used. So I'm just going to play it, okay, and again I'm going to the home. Sorry, I'm just going to click on the video and I'm going to give the crop effect. So maybe ideally from here or here, something like this. Okay, so your video is ready. So this becomes your header. Playback, make it automatically. Just make it. Okay, just going to bring this to friend. Okay, just going to move it a little bit to cover that one. A little more down. Okay, so I think this should be fine. Make it. You can make it a little more bigger if you want. Okay, so now what is the thing is that you should change the color of the image. So what you have to do is click here, go to the drawings, go to fills, and again you can choose various colors. I've used this color. Okay, so I'm using this color. So now this is editable. If you see this is an editable version. So if you want to, anytime you can change anything you want. So this is basically used for a single slide purpose if you want to, edit immediately or something like that. Otherwise, always, what you do is that you go to the slide master and insert the video there, so it becomes non-editable. So this is another example, which is an editable version, which I wanted to show you. So hope you liked it. So it will be like this. Okay. So now the third one is this curvy effect. How we can do this? So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to again insert a new slide. I'm going to insert the video first. Online video, sorry, video from my PC. And I'm going to insert a video, maybe this one. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to keep this there for time, just for time being, because the curving the shape is a slightly tricky part here. So then the next thing is that I'm going to insert a shape over here, same what I did last time, and I'm going to insert this shape. Now how you make that curvy effect? So to make the curvy effect, what you have to do is that edit shape, edit points. Okay, just click on that. Sorry, it went off. Click on the edit points again. So you get the point over here. So see, give a slight bend over here. This is what I had done to give that curvy effect for this presentation. Something like this. See? So the video, again, the playback should be on automatically. Now I'm just going to paste this, heading just for you. Just copy. So let's see how it looks. And let's just play this. See? So this is another way of representing the header. The header should not be always in, like a rectangle shape. It can be curvy, it can be edgy. So you can try various methods, how you want to work on the header. So hope you like this video. It's very simple, just creating the video headers. So hope you liked it. If you like it, please do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.